Hi, my name is Prof Birk. I'm professor here at Jacobs University. My project is Hands-on 4.0. So this project is about the question how lab education in the modern world is evolving. You could see, so to say, the very early apprentice-master relation as a kind of lab education 1.0. Then there was kind of the classical lab education where we had some first, so to say, controlled experiments by teachers in medieval universities. And then we had some further evolution of labs with group work and all kind of possibilities in terms of gamification and so on. Now, today we are also seeing that group work and especially also personalized education is getting more and more important. Given the challenges of Corona and what we have seen in the last months, even 2 years, we also see that digital education and all forms of alternatives to classic hands-on education are becoming more and more important.